Hey you guys, it's your girl Christian Nancy and I'm back with another video. It's been an absolutely long day, but I've been loving Creme of Nature lately, so I stopped by Walmart and got a couple of their products. I got the Creme of Nature with argan oil and Morocco oil from Morocco for natural hair, the moisture recovery leave-in curl milk here. And I also got from the same line the Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. So I want to go ahead and use this, okay, because I want to do a first impressions on this. I also got this from their Pure Honey line, the Not Today, Not Away. I did use this before. I'll do a review on that later. This is, I freshly washed my hair and last night, and I put 4 big twists in my hair and let it dry overnight, and this is how it turned out. I feel like it turned out great. I got like so much volume and stuff. It's just beautiful to me, but I know my hair and I cannot leave my hair like this. So what I'm gonna have to do is moisturize my hair, because I can already feel that it is getting dry. So I usually put my hair in sections, okay? And I work like that because sections are easier for me because my hair is thicker than a sticker. But anyways, so I got this bottom part, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna begin to spray my hair. I just really want to know, I just really want to find out if this thing is gonna activate my curls. That's what I want to know, okay? I'm interested in knowing. So this is my first time using these products. It was not expensive, and that's what I like. So like that, like the debauch. Ooh, and I like it. You send chills up my spine every time I did it. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. That's how I've been feeling about Creme of Nature. So we'll see. Yeah, that's my husband in the background. He is such a hater. Okay, and I did go to Ulta today, and I found such pretty hair accessories, okay? So it did make it easy for me to like detangle my hair, so that's a good thing because my hair is tangly and it's thick. It's thick. Oh Lord, I got no strength for that. It's thick. It is very thick, and that is the leave-in stuff, you guys. This is not the curl activator yet. Okay, so that's the leave-in. Okay, all right. I just feel like I need to spray just a little bit more water in my hair. Okay. And I like when I'm able to like comb through my hair with ease. That makes me feel really good. So I do have some curls that are popping up. Pop. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now for this curl activator. Let's see. Ooh, it's not as bad. Wonder if it's like curl activator from back in the day. And I am so heavy-handed. I don't know why I did this much. Oh my God. Okay. Alright, I got some curls, but for me, I need to because I see in between my hair there are parts that are still dry. So let me just do this. Okay, I want to come up close to show you all the curls. So it is giving me some curls, and I'm just gonna kind of like shingle it. Yep, I'm gonna shingle my entire head of hair. So I don't want you all to be bored with the same repetitive thing, so I am going to speed this process up, okay? Okay, I am done with putting all the product in my hair. I felt like this product was like no strand of hair left behind. You have to get in there, especially like with my hair, because my hair is like super duper dry. I do not know the porosity of my hair. I feel like it'd be kind of tough to get the water in, and it's tough for the water to stay out. So to stay in, you know, like I lose it really fast. So I think that I do have a mixture of maybe high and low porosity hair. I'm not too sure. Just think maybe my hair is just a little bit crazy. But for the purposes of this video, I am gonna diffuse my hair. I hadn't diffused in a while, but I will diffuse. And I'm gonna spray some heat protectant on my hair. I'm using the Creme heat protectant. So I'm gonna diffuse. So I am finished diffusing my hair. I think my hair is about 75% dry. I didn't want to keep on diffusing it and putting too much heat on it, but while I did diffuse it, I was like kind of like stretching out my curls. For the most part, I think that this product is really good, considering that it is not a gel. It's like a cream, a curl activator cream. Now, you have to really apply this to your hair. You have to make sure that there is no strand left behind. Like seriously, no strand left behind. However, I do have an area in my hair that is frizzy. That's just my bad part of my hair. But if I would have like used gel, it wouldn't have been frizzy in that area at all if I would apply some gel with it. It does smell absolutely good. The smell is amazing. Okay. How it feels sticky. Okay, it's not hard, it's just sticky. It's sticky right now. But look at this, get into this definition. I love that. I love that. This definition here is good. Not so much right there, but I will wear my hair like this for a while. I think I'm just gonna try to maybe just apply a little bit more to this section and then put a cap over my head and go to bed, because the sister is sleepy. So I'm gonna just try this area over with some water and some of this activator. Good thing God is good, because I sure didn't want to waste that activator that I had left down there. I was like, oh Lord, I got this activator and got it left over. What am I gonna do? So there we have it, and I get to use it. It's gonna be none left over. So this is the cream. Like I said, it's a curl activator cream. It's not a gel. And I do believe that, like, for a cream, I think it did a good job for my hair, because my hair, creams couldn't do nothing for my hair. Maybe my hair just come a long way, I don't know, but that is it. I'm just gonna put one of those little plastic bags over my head and putting it in a high bun like this, but instead of like one pineapple, I've been doing 2 pineapples, 2 buns up, and that has been working better than the 2 pineapples, because I do put my hair over my head because it's still wet. And tomorrow when I wake up, I will let it air dry and I'll show y'all the end result, okay? So it is the next day and this is the final results of my hair. It is dry. I believe it's dry. Okay, so this is it. I absolutely love it. So, you know, you can go get your own Creme of Nature, and this is not sponsored. I just like it, okay? So you can go get your own. It's at Walmart. It wasn't expensive. I think it was like $5.97, so about $6, almost $7 with tax. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And like always, until next time, bye.